to me shouldn't necessarily even involve white people. White people were the oppressors, they were the thieves. I sit here as a white person like every other white person in this country, and I enjoy the benefits daily of land theft and of what's happened previously. So the fact that black people are actually even asking for our opinion in returning land is, I said, a sign of their humanity. What we see counterbalancing that is a lack of inhumanity amongst white people to even acknowledge their role in this, to take culpability, to look at their lives and say, every day I sit here, I benefit, I'm a child of privilege, and I always will be. That they look upon black poverty as if it's something divorced from them, rather than as a direct creation of their own activity. And as you've seen, I've had an outrage from Twitter, which doesn't worry me at all. I find it just a confirmation once again that white people are not prepared to make any adjustments in their lives. And perhaps black people should stop putting their faith in white people, that they're going to change anything.
All right, Slee, let's get the official line now as far as Durka is concerned.